Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to fix this hair. Last week I was going to do loose braids, right? And I divided this way so that the loose braids would be easier to do, right? So instead of having to divide the lines from the back, I just did this so that I can take one and then start cutting it to like box braids. You get? So but by the time I was done, I was so tired and it was on a Sunday, so it was very like I think 4. At that moment it felt like I had 2 ways to win X and O game. Like if you know, you know. So I'm just like, I think I'll do cornrows, and then this week I'm just going to do the braids, and that's what I'm about to do now. Filming for YouTube and Instagram at the same time, it's not a joke, guys. Like I'm doing portrait, landscape portrait. So I've applied this leave-in again, the scalp serum from Thank You Beauty, also this thickening and edges oil as well from Thank You Beauty. I'm just going to start braiding now. The lines, the goal is not for the lines to be perfect, so of course the root is going to be tight, but when you get to the body, then you start bringing your hand down. Does that make sense? I feel like I'm still not making it tight. I don't know why. I'm still not making it loose. I mean, I feel like this place was so loose and this place is not tight. I feel like that was my problem the last time as well, as in making the ends tight as well. This looks better. This looks better. So far so good. Like it's actually loose, like the last one I did was not loose like this. I love how it's looking so full, and then the twist back. And I'm gonna show them on Instagram. Okay, so I just want to quickly show you guys how I refreshed my hair. I mean, I washed it before I started this because I won't carry these braids for 2 weeks. God help me. But when it gets rough, it looks even finer. That's the thing about natural. For some will, not every time. So mine looks and feels neat. So just massage over that goodness. Guys, look who is doing.